Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where 9 to the power x minus x to the power 4 is equal to 65. Here x belongs to natural number. Okay. Or this 9 can be written as 3 square whole to the power x minus 4 can be written as 2 square. So we can write here x square whole square is equal to 65. Or now we know an exponential formula a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power mn is equal to a to the power n whole to the power m. Now apply this formula here. We can write 3 to the power x whole square minus x square whole square is equal to 65. Or now we know an algebraic formula a square minus b square is equal to a minus b times a plus b. Now apply this formula here. We can write 3 to the power x minus x square times 3 to the power x plus x square is equal to 65. Now factorize 65. We can write here 1 times 65 is equal to 5 times 13. We know a minus b is always less than a plus b. So comparing both sides, we can write here 3 to the power x minus x square is equal to 1 and 3 to the power x plus x square is equal to 65 and 3 to the power x minus x square is equal to 5 and 3 to the power x plus x square is equal to 13. Now adding these two equations, we will get 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power x is 2 times 3 to the power x. This x square cancel out this x square is equal to 1 plus 65 is 63. Or divided both sides by 2, we can write here 2 times 3 to the power x over 2 is equal to 66 over 2. Or 3 to the power x is equal to 33. Now check. Taking x is equal to 1, we can write here 3 to the power 1 is equal to 3. This 3 is not equal to 33. Now x is equal to 2, we can write here 3 square is equal to 9, not equal to 33. Now x is equal to 3, we can write here 3 cube is equal to 27, not equal to 33. Now x is equal to 4, we can write here 3 to the power 4 is equal to 81, not equal to 33. So there are no natural solutions, so this is rejected. Okay. Now here adding these two equations, we know 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power x is 2 times 3 to the power x. Now this x square cancel out this x square is equal to 5 plus 13 is 18. Or now divided both sides by 2, we can write here 2 times 3 to the power x over 2 is equal to 18 over 2. This 2 cancel out this 2, so here we will get 3 to the power x is equal to 18 over 2 is 9. Or 3 to the power x is equal to 9 can be written as 3 square. Now comparing here, we will get the value of x is equal to 2. Now check. Questions have given 9 to the power x minus x to the power 4 is equal to 65. Here x is equal to 2, so we can write here 9 square minus 2 to the power 4 is it equal to 65, or we know 9 square, that means 9 times 9 is 81, minus 2 to the power 4, that means 16, is it equal to 65. Now we know that 81 minus 16 is 65, so we can write here 65 is equal to 65. So right hand side is equal to left hand side, so the value of x is equal to 2 is correct. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.